What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Airbender LPV. Today we got a little bit of a mystery unboxing, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about this one. This package showed up a few days ago, and as you can see, it's definitely been through something. The box is beat up, the bag is crushed, and when I move it around, you can hear parts rattling inside. So we're gonna open this up together, reveal what drone I picked up, and hopefully it's not broken before I can get a chance to fly it. But before we get into it, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. The mission here is simple. I'm learning LPV in real time, sharing the wins, the crashes, the mistakes, the gear, and everything I learned along the way. So other beginners don't feel like they have to figure this stuff out alone. We're learning to bend and win one flight at a time. So I'm not gonna reveal what this is just yet. All I'm gonna say is this is something I think I needed in the fleet. And by needed, I mean I convinced myself that I needed it. You guys know how this hobby goes. But before I get too excited, I want to inspect everything in this package because the way it sounds, it's not giving me a lot of confidence. If your package shows up like this, definitely record the unboxing. What I have to say is well packaged. So you guys see what it is. By it being in this box, it may be secure. It just doesn't sound good. So maybe it's not too bad. Maybe the parts are just loose. So the blades would have been secure under here, but some kind of way I guess they got it loose. No, actually this is another set of blades. And we got 4 screws in here. I want to be sure that I don't lose these. All right, so good news. The drone itself is okay. What I was hearing rattling around in the box was just the fan blades and some of the screws. I'm not gonna lie, when I first picked the box up and I heard all that noise, I thought I might have had a problem. I was already thinking, man, please don't let this brand new drone be broken before I even get a chance to fly it. But thankfully, everything looks good so far. And here it is, the HDLRC Drac Knight. The main reason why I picked this one up, simple. Price was right. I heard some good things about how it flies, and I don't really have a 2-inch drone in the lineup yet. So technically, I needed it. Well, at least that's what I told myself. Now this isn't gonna be a full review yet. I still need to go over everything, make sure nothing is loose, and check into beta flight and make sure everything is ready before I send it up. But first impressions, I like it. It's small, it looks clean, and if it flies as good as people say, this might be a fun little ripper. I'm hoping it gives me a little bit more power than some of my whoops. Not as much power as the Mario Mini, because it's really powerful, but somewhere in between. And it should be small enough to fly in some tighter spots without being too crazy. Only thing that's slowing me down right now is the heat. And then of course right now it's raining. The Mississippi heat hasn't been playing around at all. And I've been super busy with work. I still hadn't even got a chance to fly my Air 75. I'm stacking up drones faster than I can fly them. But we're gonna get this one checked out, get it set up, and hopefully get a flight video soon. But you guys do know right now I'm doing the Argyle 6, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'll put a video above right now. So yeah, the package scared me a little bit, but the drone survived. Y'all let me know in the comments if you've flown the HDLRC Drac Knight or any 2-inch drone like this. And if you have, what should I expect? Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow along because the next step is getting this thing in the air. I'm still learning to bend and win one flight at a time. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.